counting 1 to 20. Let's count. One cat is spinning around itself. Two hamsters are spinning on the wheel. Three penguins are waddling from left to right. Four zebras are eating leaves. Five frogs feasting on insects. Six ducklings are swimming in a pond. Seven turtles are swimming in the sea. Eight camels are roaming the desert. Nine deer are grazing grass. 10 foxes are howling at the moon. Ow! 11 peacocks are resting on a tree branch. 12 bats are flying high in the sky. 13 eagles are screeching. 14 snakes have their tongues in and out. 15 dolphins are swimming in the sea. 16 mother and baby zebras are nuzzling caringly. 17 pigs are running in the puddle. 18 mommy and baby deer are cuddling. 19 crocodiles are opening and closing their big mouths. 20 hedgehogs are retracting and extending their skin.